that's for your fried noodles.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. Ah, that's it. This side.
For the fried rice, babe, we have oyster sauce,
Yeah.
salt,
Yeah.
chicken powder,
Ah, okay.
salt, black pepper powder. If it's shrimp, then you need to have shrimp. If it's vegetable, then you need to have the chops of vegetables.
Ah, okay. That's pretty obvious, isn't it?
Yes. Yeah, I just want to see how they do it.
Ah, okay.
How they cook it.
Alright.
That's the Chinese one.
Ah, okay.
Is it oyster sauce? Yes, it is oyster sauce.
Ah, okay.
I'm gonna start cooking my shrimp fried rice.
Really?
Yes.
Alright.
Oil.
Yeah.
Nasi mas, wes ada modelnya nasinya mas.
Okay. That's it. Chicken. Oil, add chicken.
Chicken, itu jangan. Ini mau apa?
Cleaning. Film, kecil. And they add the bok choy, noodles, cabbage, and carrots.
What sauce was that?
Toast.
Oh. sauce?
Fish sauce.
Ah, fish.
Is this soy sauce? Apa namanya?
Hah? Raja rasa. Harap masak loh.
This soy sauce. Mushroom soy sauce.
Ah, okay.
This one smells, can you smell it? Smells like cherry.
Ah, okay.
Oh, sesame oil. So they have fish sauce, sesame oil, sherry, and mushroom soy sauce.
So whose meal is this?
Yours.
Ah, okay.
Goreng pakai itu mah. Oh. Fried rice and
The same?
sauce.
Okay.
Krimnya sibak-sibak nih.
Do you want me to still film?
Yeah, the fried rice. Oil. They get a nice rice bake. Rice is soft.
What's the rice?
It's soft, kind of soft rice.
Ah, okay.
Egg, shrimp, rice, oyster sauce, salt, chicken powder, fish sauce. Oh no, that's mushroom sauce. Mushroom sauce. Oh, that's onion. Fried onion.
gonna have a bite of your breakfast? Ah, you're gonna have a drink instead, are you? How's your drink?
Very nice.
What flavour is it?
Watermelon.
Ah, okay.
And I'm gonna start with my perfect shrimp fried rice.
And who cooked it?
And the guy.
Ah, okay.
We just watch it.
Ah, okay. Bit hot, is it? Ah, okay. Nice.
Very nice.
It's nice because you've eaten like 3 times, 4 times in a row. You haven't eaten anything else for breakfast.
That's right.
Alright. So we're going to finish up? Alright.